Long ago, the world was full of people. They built cities, grew crops, and raised families. But something was very wrong. People had forgotten God. They hurt one another. They only thought about doing evil all the time. Violence filled the earth like a dark cloud, and God's heart was filled with sadness. But in the middle of all the darkness, there was one man who still walked with God. His name was Noah. Noah wasn't perfect, but he loved God. He listened. He obeyed. While the world ran after sin, Noah stayed close to the Lord, and God saw him. One day, God spoke to Noah. He told him something no one else could have imagined. God said, "The earth is filled with violence, and I will put an end to it. I am going to send a flood to cover the whole earth. Everything that has breath will be wiped away." But God had a plan for Noah. God said, "Build an ark, a big boat. Make it from gopher wood. Seal it with pitch inside and out. Make rooms and levels. It must be long and tall and strong." Noah listened closely. God continued, "Take your family with you. Bring 2 of every kind of animal, male and female, birds, livestock, crawling creatures. Bring food for them and for yourselves. The flood will come, but I will keep you safe." So Noah got to work. He gathered the wood. He cut and hammered and shaped the boards. He built the ark just as God said, every inch, every level, every detail. People came by and laughed. "What are you doing, Noah?" They mocked. "There's no water here. Are you building a boat in the middle of dry land?" But Noah didn't stop. He didn't argue. He kept building. Day after day, year after year, he trusted God's word, even when the skies were blue. His sons helped. His wife helped. Animals began to appear. Birds flew in. Deer, lions, turtles, elephants, snakes, all came in pairs, just as God had said. Noah finished the ark. Every piece was in place. The food was packed. The animals were settled. And Noah waited. He didn't know exactly when the flood would come, but he believed it would, because God had said so. People still laughed. They still doubted. But Noah didn't need proof. He had faith, and God saw Noah's faith. He saw Noah's obedience, and God was pleased. Noah lived in a world that had turned away from God, but he chose to walk with God. When others laughed, he trusted. When others ignored, he obeyed. He didn't build the ark because he saw a storm. He built it because he believed God. That's what faith looks like. Faith means trusting God, even when it doesn't make sense, even when no one else understands. And today, you can have that kind of faith too. You can choose to trust and obey, just like Noah. Faith means trusting God's word, even when it sounds impossible. Obedience is how we show our faith. One person's faith can bless and protect their whole family. God always keeps his promises.